Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Gemini when bank verification is pending, beginner guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from Gemini when your bank verification is pending, start by logging into your Gemini account. Navigate to the Accounts section on your dashboard. Locate the Withdraw option in the menu. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. If bank verification is pending, you may need to choose a different withdrawal method. Consider using a cryptocurrency wallet for the withdrawal if your bank account is not yet verified. Enter the wallet address for your selected cryptocurrency. Double-check the wallet address for accuracy to avoid any loss of funds. Specify the amount you wish to withdraw. Review and confirm any transaction details before proceeding. Submit your withdrawal request. Monitor your transaction status through the withdrawals page in your account. If your withdrawal fails or is delayed, check your email for any notifications from Gemini. It's important to follow up on your bank verification process. To do this, navigate back to the Accounts section. Find the Verification tab to review the status of your bank account verification. Make sure to provide any requested documents promptly to avoid further delays. Once your bank account is verified, you can initiate a withdrawal to your bank. This will allow you to transfer funds directly to your verified bank account in the future. If you encounter any issues, reach out to Gemini's customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.